Oi, what the hell is that? What?
Do you hear something?
Yeah.
Not the big thud. It's like someone like.
Yeah, but why I'm so hot here?
Yeah.
You wanna go inside or are we? Okay, guys. I think we're gonna stop this video right now. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this video. It's pretty hot. I'm not sure. The temperature here is a bit weird. So hold on, and you know something is actually disturbing us. Oh my god. Don't like that, bro. This is the first that you will see anywhere in the world. Someone doing paranormal adventure using a VR goggle. I'm really not sure what is that. I'm not sure how the footage is gonna be like. Oh, bro, relax. Chill. Relax, bro. Relax. So guys, welcome back to the Rebeltech channel. We'll be launching a new series called Vortex, where we dive in to the world of virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality. What I have in front of me is called the Pico 4 virtual reality headset. Okay, when I received this, I was pretty impressed with how the Pico team, the way they wrap the Pico 4 is really top notch. They really package everything securely. I'm pretty impressed with that. Okay, but let's see if I'm impressed with the headset. Okay, let's rip this apart. Oh shit, I didn't bring any knife. Okay, this is the microfiber cloth to wipe your lens. Very essential. Let's check this out. This is the face cushion. Oh, you have. Oh, here also is a face cushion. Okay, you have two face cushion. Okay. Face cushion. So you have face cushion, two face cushion. I'm just gonna put that aside. Pico umbrella. Do we need an umbrella? Not sure. So you have three face cushion. So if your cushion is damaged or dirty, you can replace. So there you go. Three face cushion included with the Pico 4. Okay. Oh. Okay. There you go. Let's check it out. Woo! Okay. Wow. Okay. So this is the VR headset. You have the two joystick. I'm gonna put this aside. What's inside here? Okay, probably this is the charger. You have the strap here. And yeah, power brick and cable. Okay. That's what you'll be getting. So there you go, that's the Pico 4 VR headset. Gonna peel the lens protector off. Anything that I need peeling, okay. I think this is the where you adjust the strap. Here side. This is just the unboxing and first impression. We'll be diving in quite a few videos moving forward. I'm gonna do something different, not just gaming, guys. I need to peel this off. Woo! You see the lens? Woohoo! Wow! Oh, there's 2 battery. Okay, they included 2 battery. Wow! I was like, I know I didn't bring any batteries, so I think this should be powered on. Take out my glasses. I'm gonna go somewhere here because it's I think sunlight. Okay, so I'm gonna be setting up the VR first and then continue with this video in a bit. I already set up the VR, log into my account. If you have the Pico 4, you can also add me as a friend. I'm gonna start screen recording and you can see what I see inside the VR goggle. First thing first, I wanna go into I'm gonna go lab and then display. Alright. Okay, where's the pass-through? Quick see-through. Oh, quick see-through, I would have to double tap the right side of the headset. Now I can see what's in front of me. And there you go. This is the quick see-through. Hopefully I don't get motion sickness. So yeah, this is the quick see-through. I'm gonna do some demo. I downloaded some apps. I already updated the software version as well. I think I need to adjust this because I'm gonna get sickness. I'm gonna get motion sickness. Okay, you can see the sky. Whoa. Oh, where do I tap? Alright, so I'm right now in front of the screen and this is what I've installed. So we're gonna go to YouTube. So I'm connected to a hotspot and yeah, let's check some videos. Let's go to my channel. Yeah, this is what you see now. Oh, I'm away from the So I'm pairing the Xbox wireless controller. Okay, it's connected. And now we can try
and that's the
GT.
thing about failure. It can be a powerful teacher.
Offline. Zoom. Alright. I'm using the Xbox controller and I'm playing San Andreas Grand Theft Auto. Oh! Alright, sorry. So I paired the Xbox One controller with the VR headset pretty seamless, and this is what you see on screen right now. Okay, so hopefully I don't get any motion sickness. Let's try this. Listen to some. Okay, this is 360 degrees video. You can see my D. Wow. Oh, holy shit! I feel like okay. I feel like I'm walking, but I'm f***ing giddy, man. Okay. Okay. Back to home. We'll dive all this in future videos. And yeah, that's about it. This is the Pico 4. Okay. This is basically the Pico 4. It's quite affordable. It's around like 400-ish or 500-ish. And then you get almost everything there. What I got here is the 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM. Expect the unexpected on Rebeltech. We're gonna not only just game, we'll do something pretty different. We're gonna do something very unique than the rest. And I think that's about it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. That's where I post almost daily B-rolls, B-sides. I'm not sure if I get motion sickness using this while walking as well. If I get out of the boundary, wow, every time I need to reset. Oh, okay. So I'm out of the boundary, and yeah. So yeesh. Okay, that's a big tree. Alright, I think that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoy. We'll play around with this. I don't want to make this video lengthy. So yeah, welcome to the VR world. This is where Rebeltech gonna live from now on. This is where I'm gonna be. This is where I'm gonna be resting from now on. This is where Rebeltech is gonna be resting. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.